Welcome to my channel. Printer won't pick up paper? Easy fix you can try. 1. Check the paper. Make sure the paper is loaded correctly and isn't folded, damp, or stuck together. Use a fresh, clean stack of paper. 2. Don't overfill the tray. Remove some sheets if the paper tray is packed too tightly. Overloading can prevent the printer from grabbing the paper properly. 3. Adjust the paper guides. Move the paper guides so they gently touch the edges of the paper. Don't make them too tight, as this can stop the paper from feeding. 4. Remove any jammed paper. Turn off the printer and carefully check the paper path. Remove small pieces of torn paper that may be blocking the rollers. 5. Clean the pickup rollers. Dust and paper residue can make the pickup rollers slippery. Use a soft, lint-free cloth to gently clean the rollers. 6. Check the roller condition. Look at the pickup rollers for signs of wear or damage. If they look very smooth, cracked, or worn out, they may need replacement. 7. Try a different paper size. Make sure the printer settings match the paper in the tray. For example, select letter if you are using letter size paper. 8. Restart the printer. Turn the printer off and unplug it for about 30 seconds. Plug it back in, turn it on, and try printing again. 9. Try one sheet manually. Place a single sheet of paper in the tray and try printing. If it picks up one sheet successfully, the problem may be related to the paper stack or tray. 10. Check for a hardware problem. If the printer still won't pick up paper after these steps, the pickup roller, separation pad, or paper feed mechanism may need service. A technician can check these parts safely. Thanks for watching.